Hello and welcome to How to Play Napoleon, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Napoleon. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 6 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and counters such as poker chips. Each player starts with an equal amount of chips. Each player is dealt 5 cards in sets of 3 and 2 cards at a time. Napoleon is a trick-taking game. The object of the game is to bid and win tricks. A trick is created by players playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking trump card played wins the trick. If no trump card was played, the highest ranking card in the lead suit will win the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the twos being the lowest. The trump suited cards for the round will outrank all other suited cards. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer is first to make a bid or pass on bidding. A bid is an amount of tricks the player thinks they can win in the round. Player 2 passes on bidding. Player 3 bids 3. Player 1 would have to bid 4 or 5 to win the bid now. Player 1 chooses to pass on bidding. Player 3 wins the bid. The bid winner will lead the first trick. The suit of the first card led is the trump suit for the round. Player 3 leads the ace of hearts, making hearts the trump suit for the round. Play moves to player 1. Players must play a card in the same suit that was led whenever possible. Player 1 plays the queen of hearts. Play moves to player 2. Player 2 does not have a heart to follow suit. When a player cannot follow the lead suit, the player can play any card. The player with the highest ranking trump card wins the trick. If no trump suited cards were played, the highest ranking card in the lead suit wins the trick. Player 3 wins this trick with the highest ranking trump suited card. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 3 leads the 9 of diamonds this time. Player 2 does not have a diamond and can play any card. Player 2 follows suit with the 4 of diamonds. Player 3 wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Player 3 will lead again, and players continue playing 2 tricks until all cards have been played. Players will count the number of tricks won at the end of the round. Player 3 has won 4 tricks. Player 1 got 1 trick. Player 3 has made their bid of 3. With a successful bid, the bid winner will take chips for the amount bid from each player. Player 3 wins 3 chips from each player. If a bid winner is unsuccessful in winning the required amount of tricks, they will pay each opponent the amount bid. For example, if player 3 only won 2 tricks after bidding 3, player 1 and player 2 would both get 3 chips from player 3. The game is played for an agreed upon amount of deals. The player with the most chips after the agreed upon amount of deals wins the game. When a player bids 5, it is known as bidding nap. If the player wins all 5 tricks, they win 10 chips from each player. If the player fails to win all 5 tricks, they will pay the other players 5 chips each. That wraps up How to Play Napoleon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!